Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to electronics. So year 8 we're studying electronics. So first thing you're going to need is you're going to need your cutout, which has your wiring diagram on it, and you're going to need your blank. So your blank is what we're going to make our base out of. It's going to have our holes in it, our LEDs, our resistors, our transistors are all going to go under here. But at the moment it's raw. It's got a cut edge, it's got square corners, and we need to polish those up. Before you do anything else, you'll notice your blank has paper on it. We're going to glue our diagram to our board like so. Okay, you can see it's a little bit bigger, that's fine, and it's a little longer, but we want to make sure this edge here and this edge here match up, because that's our datum edge when we go to bend it in the bender. So just checking it fits, it does. You notice we've got our holes set up for where our LEDs and stuff are going to go, so that our green red LED, our 120 ohm resistor, our mains wire is going to come out of here, it's going to go into there. We're going to put our switch in this hole here. Our wire for our one that goes over our touch game comes out of here, and we've got a 68k ohm resistor as our second resistor, and our transistor, noticing the flat side, goes that way. That's really important. This goes right way around. So this is going to be our layout for our chassis. So turn it over, get a bit of Yoo-hoo stick, take it off, apply the glue on the back, and this will come off with the paper when we take it off the acrylic, so it's not coming off before that. So a nice amount of glue, evenly spread over the back, making sure that we line this edge and this edge up, they're critical, and that it fits nicely on our board. We've got no air bubbles in there. Okay, so smooth it out, get rid of all the air bubbles, and that'll take a little while for it to dry. If it starts to flick up like mine's doing here, just get a little bit more glue on the corner, sticking back down. I've got the same problem on this corner, didn't put enough glue, so a bit more glue, sticking down. Alright, that'll take a couple of minutes to dry. So while that's drying, get yourself ready for the next stage, which is going to be preparing the outside edge. We're going to need to file it, sand it, wet rub it, polish it on the buffing machine, all ready for operations. So next time, next tutorial, I'll talk to you about how to file, wet rub and polish the outside edges. So until next time, ladies and gentlemen, cheers.